In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can easily add Android Auto or CarPlay to your car right after this. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you so much. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how come some people are able to watch Netflix and YouTube videos using their main center display? Well, here's how it's done. So let me show you a quick sample of what I'm talking about. So this is the brand new Android Auto that I just recently installed into my car. It's super easy to install. I can go ahead and play YouTube. I can watch YouTube videos, and I can also go into my Netflix account. As you can see here, I'm actually connected to my Wi-Fi. So before we go ahead and jump further, I just want to show you that I'm going to go ahead and back to the main screen, and here's Android Auto again. This is a very nice feature. So a company by the name of AutoABC has reached out to me with a very interesting product that can just do that. They have sent me a small AI powered Android box called the Magic Box, and Magic is pretty much what it can do. What that box looks like is actually like this. Look how tiny this box is, like a 1/4 inch thick by about maybe 2 to 3 inches wide, and it is USB powered, and it plugs directly into your car USB port. It's a regular USB port, and the cable is provided. The cable is USB-A to USB-C, which is on the side of the box. I mean, you can't get it wrong even if you wanted to, honestly. So the easiest way that you can add Android Auto or CarPlay into your car is by getting one of these AI powered Android Magic Box and plugging it into your car's USB port, just like what I showed you right now. Let me show you how easy this is, because there is no need to take out any panels or modify your car in any way or deal with messy wires and cables. All you have is this little Android box right here, which is super tiny, which you can actually fit this easily into your pocket, and you can actually take this to go. And I've actually plugged this into my buddy's new Buick truck, and as his car also has a decent sized touchscreen center console. Now plug it into his USB port, into his car's USB port, and what you do from there, I'm going to go ahead and back into the main home screen of my car. What you do here is you want to go find the settings and sources of your car. So you click on, for my car, this is a 2018 Toyota Camry. Once you go to settings, I'm sure you will find how to switch to sources, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on sources, and from here this is where you can switch from Bluetooth, FM, AM, or AI box. Now where it says AI box, it normally says USB or external USB maybe for you guys, but I think a lot of cars say USB. That's what it shows before it shows the AI box, because right now the Android box is actually plugged in, obviously, because you just seen me switch to the main screen of my car. So once you see that, you click on USB, and from here you click on Apple CarPlay, and here we are. And now if you first plug in the AI powered Android box into your car, it might take a minute or two. By the time the car realizes there's an external unit plugged in, you just wait for it, and then you go ahead and you want to connect to your home Wi-Fi, as I am right now, or you can connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot from your cellular data or your phone or your smartphone. So then what you will do is you want to go into settings. From there you want to go into settings, and from here you can manage Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the language, time and date. It's got plenty of options. I'm actually impressed of what this box can do. And you can do a factory settings or factory reset. But the main thing you want to do is that you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, and you want to connect the Bluetooth to your phone or tablet or whatever you want to. So into Wi-Fi, once you go into Wi-Fi, you can see that I am currently connected to my home's Wi-Fi, which is much faster than my hotspot on my phone, at least for the purpose of this video. And then from here, to go into the main menu or the home screen from here you can see a bunch of options. You can see the car option. Now this will take you back to your home screen of your car's original manufacturer software, but I want to get back into the Apple CarPlay. Of course, you can access the Google Play Store. You'd have to forgive me as my Wi-Fi is not the fastest at home. And then I'm going to go back to, and then from here I can go into Bluetooth music and Bluetooth phone. You can actually use your phone, make phone calls, and you can see that I'm currently connected to my Samsung Galaxy A70 phone. So you can connect any Bluetooth device to this AI powered box and you are ready to go there, you can open up YouTube, and you will see that once I open YouTube here, and I'm gonna go ahead and search for my channel, reviews and tech, and here is my channel, and here we are. So let's just say I want to click on the Bugatti electric scooter review that I just uploaded recently, and once we are into the video, you can see that it's playing super clear, and it actually fits it automatically into my whole screen, into my whole car's screen main center console display. So to back up out of that, I'm going to click the screen, click the link, click the arrow pointing down on the top left. I'm going to close that video. So that's YouTube for you. And then I'm going to go ahead and open Netflix. As I mentioned earlier in the video, you can play anything from YouTube or Netflix. Wait until you watch this, and this is very cool. And you can see Netflix is open now in full display. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on TV shows. I want to choose let's just go ahead and choose any of the new releases. I guess we'll choose this new TV show called Bodies. We'll click on play. The TV show just started playing. I just played anything random, guys, and as you can see, it's just playing just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward, and there it is, guys. I don't want to play anymore because I know YouTube complains. You know, we don't want to have that issue on the channel. While I was showing you guys that, I do want to share a few specifications about this AI powered Android box, which I personally think is very easy and super easy to install. Honestly, it doesn't get any easier to install other than plugging into your car's USB port. So this box has a wide compatibility. It's compatible with cars with original wired Apple CarPlay / Android Auto and touchscreen capabilities. The example I just showed you now. This Android AI box has 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage, which is plenty for my knowledge. It has built-in dual band Wi-Fi supporting 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz frequency. This box also comes with Bluetooth 5.0, which is great. It comes with Android 11 pre-installed system, which is awesome. You can access the Google Play Store to download more apps as well, as I just showed you guys here a minute ago. It's compatible with Android and Apple devices as well. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and I believe they also said they offer a lifetime technical support as well, which not many companies offer that nowadays. And there's currently a $30 off coupon that you can clip if you decide to upgrade your ride with one of these awesome units. And I will also leave a 10% off coupon code that the company has supplied me with on top of that for you guys in the description as well. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please hit that like button if you have found any benefits here. And if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing to me, as this really helps me out. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure to drop me a line down below, and I will get back to you promptly. So thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And thank you so much for AutoABC for sending me this free sample for the purpose of this review. I appreciate it so much.